Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today we're still on making pupus or appetizers for Super Bowl. So today I'm making a spinach artichoke dip. Very easy. You see all the ingredients here? All you gotta do is put it in a bowl, mix it all up, and that's it. Okay, I'm gonna put in the dry ingredients first. 1/4 teaspoon of dried dill. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of powdered garlic. Mix it up now, and I'm adding 3/4 cups of Parmesan cheese. Mix it all together. I'm adding 4 water chestnuts chopped up. This comes in a can. And then 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, 1/4 cup of round onions, and 1/2 cup of chopped up artichokes. And the artichokes come in a can or a bottle, and they're peeled, but you have to watch out because sometimes the leaves on the top are very tough, so I usually don't use it. Now I'm putting 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. This is to moisten it up. Stir it really good. And I have here 1.5 cups of yogurt. Usually they use Greek yogurt, but I just have here plain yogurt. And I've been putting it on a strainer, and actually I threw out some of the water. You see the water in the bottom? Actually I threw some out. So it's better to strain it, otherwise your dip will be very watery. So I strained it maybe for about 45 minutes, okay? So we're gonna mix this all up. The last thing I'm gonna add is a package of frozen chopped spinach. And I thawed it out and I squeezed out all the water. Again, you don't want it watery. 10 ounces. And you see how thick it is? You don't want it watery. If I didn't drain it, it'd be watery. So I'll put a little bit in a dish so I can try some. And then I have some blue chips in the square bowl. So this goes out to you, the subscriber who says you like my square bowls. So let's try it and see. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little paprika just to give it some nice color. And then now I'm gonna try it. See how it tastes. I have some blue chips here. So good. I have to try another one. Bigger one. Really yummy. All the textures in here are very good. You got soft, crunchy, hard, and then you have a tangy taste from the yogurt and all the flavors mixed in together. This is really good. So you can use it for your Super Bowl. And the guests coming in, they're not eating right now, but they'll dig into this dip. It's really good. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell notification so that whenever I make a video, you'll be notified. Mahalo, and thank you for watching.